So next topic is your convolution, integral and properties. Okay, lecture 14. So if I talk about the properties, so the first one is the your commutative property. Okay, let's see ये क्या होती है. Commutative property, it states that the response of an LSI system is not affected even if position of input and impulse response. Remember, input means we are talking about the xt, impulse response we are talking about the ht. Okay, of LSI system are interchange. ना ये बोल रहा है कि अगर हम जो हमारा इनपुट है, ओके, एंड जो हमारा इंपल्स रिस्पॉन्स है, अगर हम उसको इंटरचेंज कर दें तो हमारे जो सिस्टम में जो आपका वाई कैलकुलेट होके आ रहा उस पर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मीन्स इफ यू आर राइटिंग इन दिस मैनर, यही लिखते हैं हम y t equal to x tau convolution with ht xt. So you can write it down in this manner also. ht आपने पहले ले लिया, बाद में xt ले लिया. Okay, or in the form of formula you can write it down minus infinity to infinity x tau h t minus tau d tau. ये दोनों सेम होंगे इफ यू आर इंटरचेंजिंग द योर xt एंड ht. सो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, h tau x t minus tau d tau x tau. So this property is known as the commutative property. Means if you are interchanging your xt and ht, there will be no effect on the calculation of yt. First one. Okay, so this is your commutative property. Okay, important है क्योंकि most of the time, because if they want to ask theoretical question, so maybe they can ask these properties. Okay, next one is the distributed property. Okay, so according to this distributed property, it states that any number of LSI system connected in parallel can be combined all into a single system with an impulse. Okay, impulse response, which is equal to all individual impulse response. Okay, impulse response. So mathematically, you can represent is if you have xt and parallelly, the means एक जो definition में LSI system connected in parallelly. So parallelly मतलब obviously H1T plus H2T. Okay, so directly you can do this xt convolution with H1T plus xt convolution with H2T. Okay, so this property is known as distributed property, means उन्हें आप individually multiply कर सकते हैं. Okay, next one is the third one. This is known as associative property. Okay, so in this property, any number, okay, means if they are connected in cascaded form. Okay, so I'm directly write it down. Okay, let's just write it down in proper manner. It states that any number of LSI systems connected in cascade form, पहले क्या था, पैरेलल था, अब क्या है, कैस्कोड है. मीन्स कुछ ऐसे फॉर्म में है, एक सिस्टम है फिर उसके आगे दूसरा सिस्टम है, इस तरह फॉर्म में. ओके, कैस्कोड कैन all be combined in a single system whose impulse response is equal to convolution of individual impulse response. Individual impulse response means you can write it down if you have xt and that is cascaded with different impulse response. So you can write it down, that is the xt convolution with H1T and that can be convoluted by H2T. So this property is known as the associative property. So three important properties हो गई, distributed हो गई, आपकी commutative हो गई and associative हो गई. Okay, now there are two more and they are also important. Convolution with an impulse. Convolution with impulse means I'm just writing directly if xt is given, xt is your input, and you are convolving this with impulse that is your delta t. So it will be same as input. Okay, and the last one is the time shift property. Okay, so according to this property, if xt convolving with ht, you know that is your क्या होता है yt, and if you are doing this shifting over here, means xt convolving h t minus t naught, then the shifting will also happen in the output. So yt minus t naught. Now, if you are in the case of, if you are multiplying with delta t, okay, so it will help you when you will solve some numerical problems. Means if you are multiplying xt with delta t minus t naught, it will come x t minus t naught. Okay, because you know this xt convolving with a delta t is equal to xt, and delta t में अगर आप शिफ्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो क्या होगा, xt मिलता है, सो xt में भी t में क्या हो जाएगा, शिफ्टिंग हो जाएगी. And if you are doing this xt minus t naught convolving with delta t minus t1, so it will become x, जो t वाला पोर्शन था, t minus t naught minus t1. Okay, so these equation or these property will help you out when you will do some numerical problems. Okay, now these are the some these are the all your property related with the convolution. Okay, now let's take one example, simple example. Okay, if you want to solve this question with the help of this property, so question is given, convolution of x t plus 5 with impulse function del t minus 7 is equal to, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. So solution is very easy. Okay, you can see over here these two property. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है, xt plus 5 है, यहाँ पे शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं t माइनस टी नॉट था, यहाँ पे डेल t माइनस t1 है, यहाँ पे डेल t माइनस 7 है. सो डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. ओके, क्या हो गया, x t plus 5 कन्वोलिंग विद डेल t माइनस 7. इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, x t plus 5 minus 7, that will be your x t minus 2. Okay, so you can apply this equation directly over here. Okay, so this is a simplest example. Okay, in this way you can calculate this convolution.